Today we'll talk about API and SDK, and we'll see what is the difference between an API and SDK. I have made a separate video for understanding what is API and what is SDK. So if you have not watched our previous video, please go and watch the previous videos. So let's see in today's video what is API and what is SDK and the difference between them. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is an interface that allows software programmers to interact with each other. So one program can interact with other through the APIs. It defines a set of rules that should be followed by programs to communicate with each other. API can be used to communicate between software applications, libraries, and operating systems. Now let's see what is SDK. SDK is a set of tools that can be used to develop software applications targeting a specific platform. So SDK is platform specific. SDK would include debugging tool and other utilities to aid the programmers, and all of these are presented as an IDE. API is an interface that allows software programs to interact with each other. API differ in the functionality provided by them. There are general APIs that provides library functionalities of a programming language such as Java API. API needs to be implemented very carefully by exposing only the required functionality or data to the outside world, while keeping the other parts of the application inaccessible. So it gives, in a way, abstraction as well. Use of an API has become very popular on internet. SDK is a set of tools that could be downloaded from internet, and many of the SDKs are provided free to encourage the programmers to use the SDK programming language. Some widely used SDKs are Java SDK that includes all the libraries, debugging utilities, etc. SDK make the life of a software developer easy, since there is no need to look up for components, tools that are compatible with each other, and all of them are integrated into a single package that is easy to install. So what is the difference in API and SDK? API is an interface that allows software programs to interact with each other, whereas SDK is a set of tools that can be used to develop software applications targeting a specific platform. The simplest version of an SDK could be an API that contains some files required to interact with a specific programming language. So an API can be seen as a simple SDK without all of the debugging support. There are plenty of internet sources available where you can go and learn more about the difference and more about what is API and what is SDK. There is not a simple answer to how SDK and an API differ, because SDK commonly contains an API. When a developer uses an SDK to create systems and develop applications, those applications needs to communicate with other applications. An SDK includes an API to make that communication possible. On the other hand, while the API can be used for the communication, it cannot create a brand new application. The real difference is that the API is really just an interface for a service, while an SDK is the tools, components, and code fragments that have been created for a specific purpose. So today we learned what is the difference between an SDK and an API. I hope you guys understood the difference, and if you have any queries, please write in the comment box. And if you like the videos, please click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.